Good evening, guys. This is me, Ashit Yadav. Now, once you are again, welcome back on my channel. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss the objective of the chemistry subsidiary. And this is going to be the second lesson on the objective of the chemistry subsidiary part. The first video of the chemistry subsidiary are already on the channel. You can go and watch the videos and then back again on this video. And I think this will helpful to you all, and if there needs any type of improvement, you can text me in the comment sections. I will try to do such improvement in uploading the videos. And still you have any type of queries about anything, you can freely ask me in the comment sections. I will try to answer your queries, and I will be happy to help you out. Now, without wasting time, let us start the videos. Okay. Now the first question is, an ideal gas obeying kinetic gas equations that can be liquefied of its temperature is more than critical temperature can be liquefied at any options of T and P, and option C is can't be liquefied under any value of T and P, that is temperature and pressure, can be liquefied of its pressure is more than the critical pressure. The right answer will be the option number C, that it cannot be liquefied under any value of temperature and pressure. Now the next question is, the ratio between RMS velocity of H2 and 50 calorie that of O2 of 80 calorie, that will be the option number C, that will be the equal to the same part, that is 1. Okay. Now the next question is, value of gas constant, that is R, that remarks the gas constant depends upon, that it depends upon none of the above statement that is given there, that is temperature of the gas, volume of the gas, none of the mole of gas, that is depend on none of these. Okay. Now the next question is, a container contains CO, that is carbon monoxide, and H2, that is hydrogen, in equal molar concentrations at energy at same temperature. What is the ratio of the average molar kinetic energy of the two gases? That is the 1:1, because they carry the same number of molar concentrations, that marks the same value, that is 1:1. Now the next question is, the following graph illustrates that the following graphs is showing for the which law, that it remarks the Charles law. Option number B will be the right answer. Now the next question is, on heating a liquid, its surface tension, that its surface tension will be decrease. Okay. Whenever we heat a liquid on any type of temperature, that at a constant temperature, that its tension surface will be the decreases. Okay. Now the next question is, liquid drops possess spherical shape due to, that we know that whenever a drop of water or whatever liquid drops comes down to the surface, that its shape is spherical shape, and its shape is due to the, that is a sphere that has minimum surface area, that will be the spherical surface. Okay, that is option number B. Now the next question is, of the following liquids which will exhibit highest vapor pressure, that will exist the highest vapor pressure is, that is NH3 liquid, that is the ammonia. Okay. Now the next question is, the internal resistance of flow in liquid is called, that is called the viscosity, that we had studied viscosity in the physics also, that is the viscosity is there. The unit of viscosity is, that is the, all of this is the unit of viscosity, that is the poise, millipoise and centipoise is the right answer. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following has maximum viscosity? That means which of the following elements or which of the following components has the maximum viscosity? That is the option number C, that is glycol have the maximum viscosity among the following. Now the next question is, the formation of bubbles in a liquid is due to, that is due to the surface tension, that we know that already. Okay. Now the next question is, Bravis lattice are of the none of this type, because they are not of the 8 types, 10 types or 7 types, they are of the 9 types. Okay, that option will be the none of these, and right answer will be the 9 types. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following mathematical reactions are correct for an ideal gas? That is, which of the following mathematical relations are correct for an ideal gas? That is option number D will be the right answer. That is, here is given that Cv by delta C V by delta V is whole cube T is equal to the 0. Okay. Now the next question is, consider an ideal gas at that occupies 2.50 dm cube at a pressure of 3.00 bar. If the gas is compressed isothermically at a constant pressure, that is P exert, so that the final value is 0.500 dm cube. Calculate the smallest possible value of P exert. That is option will be the B will be the right answer, that is 15 bar. Okay. Now the next question is, calculate the work evolved when 1 mole of an ideal gas is compressed reversibly from 1.00 bar to 5.00 bar at constant temperature of 300 Kelvin. That option will be the right answer, 4.01 kg. That is the option number C, kilojoule. Okay. Now the next question is, calculate the work evolved when 1 mole of an ideal gas is expanded reversely from 20.0 dm cube to 40.0 dm cube at a constant temperature of 300 Kelvin. That option will be the minus 1.73 kilojoule will be the right answer. Now the next question is, which of these mathematical expression is perfect differential? That is perfect differential. That is the that is differentiate between 1 and 2, that is du is equal to delta u will be the right answer. Now the next question is 119, that an adiabatic process is a process in which no energy is transferred as heat. That is, an adiabatic process is that type of process in which there is no release of energy is transmitted as the heat consumptions. Okay, option B will be the right answer. Now the next question is, if the internal energy of an ideal gas decreases by the same amount as the work done by the system, the process is the adiabatic process. That will be the right answer, option number C. When the gas is ideal and the process is isothermal, then what will happen? That is E1 is equal to the E2 will be the right answer, option number B. Now the next question is, when heat is supplied to an ideal gas in an isothermal process, the gas will do positive work. That it will provide a gas in ideal gas, that is in the isothermal process, the gas will be the do the positive work. Option number A will be the right answer. Now the next question is, which of the following statements are correct? That is option are given there. It is the work done by the systems of surrounding is negative, the work done on the system by the surrounding is positive, the heat absorbed by the system from the surrounding is positive, the heat absorbed by the surrounding from the system is negative. That right answer will be the all of these. Option number E will be the right answer. Now the next question is, which of the following is a path functions as well extensive property? That is function that act as a path and is extensive property, that is the internal energy. Option number B is the right answer. Now the next question is, the molar heat capacity of water in equilibrium with ice at constant pressure is, that is the infinity will be the right answer, option number C. For ideal diatomic gas, that will be the Cp is equal to 7 by 2 into R. Option number A will be the right answer. Now the next question is, when a solid melts, there will be a decrease in free energy. That the energy of the solid, that will be the decreases. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following sets are normal physical states of these elements at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure with delta H degree formation is equal to 0? That right answer will be the option number D, that is C. Carbon, that is the ore of graphite, graphite that is the ore of carbon, that is Br2, that is bromine, that is liquid bromine, and I2, that is iodine, that is in the solid state. Now the next question is, the mathematical expression for the standard enthalpy of sublimation is given by, that is given by the option number C, that is delta H degree is equal to assimilation is equal to delta H degree fusion plus delta H vaporization. That is option number C is the right answer. Now the next question is, it requires 5 minutes to evaporate 50 ml of water from an electric source which delivers 400 watt. The enthalpy of vaporization of water is, that is the 43 kilojoule per mole. Option number B will be the right answer. Now the next question is, which of the following are thermodynamically stable? That is thermodynamically stable is the graphite, that is the ore of carbon. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following isomeric hydrocarbons is the most stable on the basis of enthalpy of combustion? That is option number C is the right answer, that is 2-methyl propene. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following is exothermic compounds with respect to enthalpy of formation? That is option number C will be the right answer, that is hydrobromide, that is in the gaseous state. Now the next question remarks that which of the following are endothermic compounds with respect to enthalpy of formation? That is all of the right answer. All of the above is the right answer. Now the next question is which among the following have maximum standard enthalpy of formation? That is maximum enthalpy of formation is maximum in the sucrose. Okay. Now the next question is in which of the following reaction delta H is equal to delta U? That is option number A, that is H2, that is hydrogen gaseous state, plus I2, that is iodine in the gaseous state, forms the 2Hi, that is in the gaseous state onwards. Now the next question is which of the following are correct? That is option number A will be the right answer, that is Ka is equal to the weak acid and Kb is equal to the conjugative weak acid, that forms the Kw. Which of the following concentrations has largest degree of dissociation for a weak acid? That is option number D, that is 0.01 m mole. Okay. Now the next question is a given weak acid, that is 0.01 m, has pK, that is pKa bravur 6 is equal to 6. The pH of the solution is, that is solution will be the pH of solution will be the 4, exact 4. Okay. The next question is the two weak solution are isohydric when their that is hydrogen ion concentrations are at the same before mixing. That is option number A will be the right answer. Now the next question is an acidic solution, that is 0.1 m of salt is saturated with H2S, that is 0.1 m. The concentration of H2S is given, that is K1 into K2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 21. That is right answer will be the option number C, that is 10 to the power minus 20. Now the next question is the pH of 10 to the power minus 10 MH2SO4 will be almost, that is option number B, that is 7. Okay. Now the next question is which of the following solutions can be titrated, okay, with HCl as well as NaOH? That is option number A, that is glycine will be the right answer. Okay. Now the next question is how much water should be added to 10 gram of acetic acid to give hydrogen ion concentration equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. That is given there pKa bravur is equal to 4.74. That is option will be the right answer, option number D, that is 3 liter. Now the next question is the pH of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, that is solution is 2.0. Sufficient water is added to it to make the pH of new solution equal to 5.0. The decrease in the hydrogen ion concentration is, that is the 1000 times. That is option number C is the right answer. Now the next question is calculate the pH of a solution prepared by mixing 2.0 ml of a strong acid solution of pH 3.0 and 3.0 ml of a strong base of pH 10.0. The option will be the B number will be the right answer, that is 3.5. Now the third last question is the dissociation constant of monobasic acid, that is A, B and C are 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 6 and 10 to the power 10 respectively. The concentration of each monobasic acid is 0.1 m. Which of the following has been arranged in increasing order of pH? That is option number A will be the right answer, that is A has the minimum and B have the maximum and C has the most maximum, that is maximus. Okay. Now the next second last question is, that is third last question is among the following which causes the greatest changes in pH on addition to 50 ml of a 0.2 m malonic acid solution? That is option number B, that is addition of 50 ml of 0.2 m NaOH solution will be the right answer. Now the second last question is which of the following mixtures constitute a buffer? That is option number B, that is Na2CO3 plus NaHCO3. Now the last question is which of the following mixtures constitute buffer? That is buffer is constituted in the NaOH plus CH3COOH. Now here we had covered the objective till the 150 questions, and in the later video we will cover the objectives that are there are almost 260 objectives in the A1 gas paper and almost 600 in the excellent gas paper, that we will cover both of these to ensure our marks, secure our marks, because objectives are not similar, that which gas paper will help us to pass the examinations, and we don't have to just pass the examination, we have to secure the good marks in the examination also. So we will prepare very well for the examination onwards. Now that's all for the today's videos, and there is humble request to everyone who are watching my videos for the first time or new my channel, please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel to be updated. That's all for the today's lessons.